Hi students, today's MCQ and the question goes like this. If y is equal to x raised to the power e power x, then what is dy by dx? And these are the four options. How is the function? Variable is raised to the power of a variable. That means x raised to the power e power x. So in such cases, we have to do logarithmic differentiation. That is, we have to differentiate after taking logarithms. So we'll take log to both sides. That will give us log y is equal to log of x e to the power x. Now we know a property of logarithms. Log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So as per the property, we will write log y is equal to e to the power x into log x. Now to differentiate, we have to apply product rule to the RHS. So when we are differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log y would be 1 by y, and y has to be differentiated with respect to x. So it is into dy by dx. So 1 by y into dy by dx, that is equal to first function as it is, derivative of the second function, that is e to the power x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus now second function as it is, that is log x. Derivative of e power x is e power x only. So it is e power x into log x. Now we can take out e to the power x as common factor, then cross multiply y with that. So it is dy by dx is equal to y e to the power x into log x plus 1 by x. So if you check the options, the right answer is option D.